Alright, y'all, we got another package from Storage Legends. We finna see what's in here. Ooh. We in here. We in here. Alrighty. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. Alright. Let me flip these cards over though. Let me see. Alright. Yeah. Old Shaq, huh? Old Shacky. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like this card right here. I got two of them that look the same, huh? Let's see. Oh, this one's nice. Oh yeah, we got a jersey card, huh? A thick case too. Y'all know who that is, huh? Can you remember that face right there? Hold on, I'm tripping. Camera on this side. Yeah. It's that Carmelo. Now let me know which one's y'all favorite. Michael Jordan. Ooh, that one's bad right there. I like that. Yeah, Michael Jordan right there, though. LeBron James. Ooh, that's a nice one right there. Let's see what we got here. What we got here? Who's that? Oh yeah, Paul Pierce. Oh yeah. Another MJ. Oh yeah. Who's this? Oh, it's an old card right there. Must be a freebie, huh? He gave me a little freebie right there. Michael Jordan. Let me make sure I put this one to the side, though. This one needs to be in the case. What year is this? Is that 81 or 71? Oh, that's kind of dark in here. I need to open this. This thing up. Hold on, y'all. Give me a second. Alright, back at it. Back at it. Let's see what we got up in here, man. Oh yeah, that's Steve Nash. Okay. I don't want to scratch that card, but Anthony Davis. Nice one. blue sleeves on my find a sleeve. Ooh, that rookie. That Anthony boy. Carmelo, rookie. That Kobe Bryant. Nice. Looks like his second year or third year. Wilkins. Nice. Bobby Jackson. Is that his rookie? No. Loose. I want to get it, but I don't want to mess it up. Oh, I dropped something. That's not good. There's a big card right here. Who's this? Oh, shit. Hardaway right there. I've never seen a jungle card like that. What is this? Another old one. Alright, let's put that back up in there. Let's grab some of these. Looks like we got some graded slabs in there. Rookie card, huh? So put that right there. What do we got here? A thick slab. Okay. Let me turn these around. So what we got here? Yeah, the dude's good right there. Check that out. I'm gonna have to check that one out. Let's put that to the side. See how much this card is worth. If y'all know how much that card is worth, let me know. Leave it in the comments. Oh shit. Some more LeBron. Some more LeBron. Jersey card. Wonder how much this is worth. I'm gonna have to look that one up too. I don't think I never heard of it. Who's this? Ooh, Mark McGuire. I'm about to look that one up too. Kevin Garnett. You know he's a good player. Look that one up too. Let's see. Ooh. Nice autograph. Look that one up. What number is that? Is there a number in the back? No number in the back. Usually they're numbered, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, look at that Jordan. That crispy too. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that Jason Kidd jersey card, huh? That Shaq. I'm about to look that one out too. And a double Shaq. All right. What else we got up in here, man? We got up in here. We got some more slabbies. Let's see. Ooh, that Norline Ricky card, man. Is that a Ricky card? Oh no. Don't look like it. But it could be. I'm about to look this one up. Y'all let me know if this is a rookie card or not. Nora Ryan. See what we got here. Ooh, that Barry Bonds. Pelosi. I'll have to look this one up too. I want to know if that's a rookie card. Let me know if that's a rookie card. Now this one. So y'all tell me what y'all see over here. What's wrong with this picture right here? What's wrong with this picture? His name is not Tony. Who is this? Let me know in the comments. It's an error card. It says his name right there. It's an error card. Oh, shit. And John Stockton. That's my second one right here. Is this his rookie card? Y'all let me know if this is his rookie card. Scottie Pippen. That's Scottie. At an 8. That's gotta be his rookie card right there. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if this dude any good right here. Another Jordan. Badass. Let's do this one. Basically, let's do these two. Number 4. You looking good. Oh yeah. Alright. Nice. I'm about to look this one up too. So is it a rookie or what? Y'all let me know if this is his rookie card. Mark McGuire. Looking nice. Yeah. That Jordan though. That's nice too. that's it for this video. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and more videos will come. I just need I need y'all to like the video though. You know, there's no reason not to like it. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Show your boy some love. You hear me? Show your boy some love up in here. This is old. 56 tops. I don't know who this dude is, but I'm surprised it's a Ford. It looks so clean. Look how clean it looks. It looks perfect. That one's nice too, though. This one says rookie on it. Scottie Pippen. This is my second one right here. The other one is a 9. This one's an 8.5. So definitely gonna sell this one. I'm gonna sell this one. If anybody's interested. Shoot me a nice offer and I will sell that John Stockton. I'll probably sell any one of these cards, but just trying to get my collection back up. But yeah, I probably would sell anything in here for the right price though. I ain't talking about nothing cheap. Got to be something worth it. So that's it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that like button, mash on that like button. And I will post more videos hopefully soon. I don't know when this one's gonna come out, but eventually it will. But I am missing something out of this stack. It was the other package that I'm missing. I had to look at my videos, but I am missing something. But make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll get back to you, y'all. Peace.